it's Daniela, aka D. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about these braids, honey. I tried the knotless braids method on myself, and I also did it on my mom. Now, I'm sounding all excited. That's just because I like how it turned out, but it was a struggle. If you know what a struggle is, then that was what this thing was for me, yeah. But it's all done now and it looks gorgeous, so I'm very happy. What you'll be seeing here is not a tutorial. I repeat, not a tutorial. This is just showing you the process and everything that I use and all of that to get here. If you can like learn, pick up a thing or two from what I did that can work for you, then great. But a detailed, more like in-depth tutorial will come when I get better at the technique, okay? So I got you, but just not now, okay? So I'm gonna be attempting to do knotless braids on myself. We shall see how it goes. The first thing I want to do is show you guys the stuff that I'll be using. This is the hair that I'll be using. It's by X-pression. It's the Ultra Braid and it's in color T430. So the ends are a bit lighter and it's a darker brown at the top. My handy dandy shea butter. Of course I have oil. I've watched quite a few videos on how to do knotless braids. Some were really helpful, some were not so clear, but whatever. And one thing that I noticed in all of them is that they stress to section your hair off. Now, this is what my sections are looking like. Don't know if you can see. I sectioned my hair off prior to washing, so I just washed my hair in the sections, and I'm gonna blow dry it on the cool setting of my blow dry just to get it a bit straighter and dry, obviously, to start doing my work. Just in case you were wondering if my hair reverted, it has reverted since my little transformation, but obviously it's a bit loose now because it was in a twist.
Several days later.
Oh, hi again. So yeah, I am looking a bit different as to where you last saw me. What had happened was I was having technical difficulties, like basically no memory anywhere, and I could not film while I was doing parts of my hair. So I decided, you know what, while I'm gonna get a new SD card and all of that good stuff, I'm just gonna finish most of it and then come back and show you in the front, because to be honest, the back I was just doing whatever I could to just make this thing work, because this technique is not for the faint-hearted. Like, I mean, some people pick it up like and they're doing it, and me, I'm just like where do my hand go? So yeah, this is definitely not a tutorial. This is just showing you my attempt at doing this style, and I will finish these braid, like basically this row here on camera, so you guys can see what I did. Now, I don't know if all of them are like knotless as I've seen other people's braids, but at this point I don't care. I just need it to be done, and I will try again, and once I do, I will show you guys a bit more in depth as well. I do want to say that my mom helped me to part my hair. I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but she parted it, and she also helped do like this back half of my head, and I did most of it here, so like the front sides and a little bit on my crown area. So yeah, we will see how it turns out in the end. I was using the Motion Sculpt and Twist something mousse. Then we found this jam, so I'm using that. I don't know, it's not doing great stuff for my hair or my mom's, but yeah, we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna do this. Finish these hairs, and I'll show you like how I seal the ends as well, because they're not sealed right now. done. Done, 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 done. Alright, I'm all done. My hair all in place. I hope that it looks knotless. I know.
The next day.
So these braids, they're lightweight. I don't have many. They're in different sizes. I have a few big ones, and I have smaller ones in the front, so it's all over the place. But doesn't matter, it adds to it and I love it. I have a middle part going on as per usual, but I can also flip it to the side. Bear with me. Also flip it to the side very easily, like so. I left out like my perimeter a bit, a little bit more than just baby hair, because I have, you know, thin edges and short pieces and stuff, so I didn't want to drag them in. Let me just give you a close-up from the top. So that's what it's looking like. I mean, most of the top bits look like it was successful, but I don't know about the rest of my head. I'm planning to keep these in for a while, so I'll hopefully manage to do an update of what everything is looking like after a few weeks, so look out for that one. Have you tried to do knotless braids on yourself before, or have you got them done by someone else? How did you like it? What was your experience like? Please leave that all in the comments down below. Please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when I post my new video. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, you're loved and you're blessed. Bye!